What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Tonight we're going to be doing something a little different. The company reached out to me. This product kind of spoke to me a little bit because years ago I read this story of a woman and her children driving in a used car that they had just purchased and ended up dying from carbon monoxide poisoning because of an exhaust leak. And I'm sure that's more common than we think. Now, I've bought a few used cars in my lifetime, and after I heard that story, I'd go out or, grab this for my home, but I would take my carbon monoxide detector and just sit it on the seat as I was driving it home. Maybe for the first week I would have it. I bought 2 trucks that needed full exhaust systems, and I know, it's just in my own head it gave me a peace of mind. Anyways, this company reached out to me and they offer a personal carbon monoxide detector, and we're going to open this up and check it out. It's a little pricey, but hear me out. Here we have the product. I might screw up the name. It's either GZAIR or GZAIR, but it has electrochemical sensor with a 5-year life, continuous 9-month runtime with battery power, visual, audible, real-time carbon monoxide concentration display, 1-button operation, designed specifically for vehicles, but there are other applications for it. It demonstrates furnace, tent, aircraft, car, truck. Now this runs $100, and I did say that I felt that was a little bit pricey, but they said that they believe that theirs is more superior than the ones that you see for 30, 40, 50 bucks. So I like how compact it is. Give you a nice little chain here to hang it, hold it. This is a holder with 3M tape on the back. There you go, you just hold the button in. So you can use this chain to hang it from a rear view mirror. The warming up period takes 3 minutes, so let's let this warm up and then we'll be right back. So something cool is the visual of the number on there. And you can see it did its job, and it was very quick. I tried with the gas grill with both of them. Now this one did come on after this one, but this was quicker to the party. So, I mean, I'm glad this is down in my boiler room. But this is a very convenient thing to take on the go if you ever have any questions or issues with carbon monoxide, maybe your apartment building, vehicle, camping, what have you. Again, the price, but I do like this. It shows you the battery life right there, and pretty neat little product. Now to turn it off, you just press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and there you go. And then you press and hold for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Anyways, guys, I hope this was a little educational. Cool little product here. I'm going to put some links down in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Feel free to. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.